welcome to part 1 of how to edit your Windows image. Probably at least one time you have downloaded an edit Windows image from the internet and found out that there's problems in it and thought to yourself, maybe, just maybe I can make something better than this shit. But the problem is, how? Just how? Or from where to start? Well, I'm gonna save you some time and tell you the basics, so you don't need to start from scratch. But I have to tell you, what I'm gonna tell you are just the basics. I'm not going professional as I haven't reached this far yet. And I have to warn you, editing one Windows image could take days in order to maintain stability. So if after doing some hard work in it, if you found some errors, or after you have edited your Windows image and so excited to test it out, and suddenly you face an awesome error and you don't reach the desktop, don't do this. And don't worry, I'll make it smooth as I can. It'll be like scratching your back. So after saying all that, let's get to it. Let me introduce you to our 4 magic tools that will do almost all the tricks you think of. And they are MSMG, NTLite, Wintoolkit, and Winreducer. Each one of them can edit a Windows image alone, but are they all the same? And the answer basically is no. I did put a lot of time in testing in each of them to find which one is good at what. I'm gonna save you this time and tell you what to use and what not to use. I'll be talking about each one of them in a separate video of how to use it, what to use and what not to use. I didn't say their names in this order just for nothing. It is the right order to use them in. So the first one is MSMG. What is it good at? First of all, it's free, so everything is unlocked. You don't need to worry about paying any money. Best at integrating packages that you will download from the internet. It is the second option you have if NTLite fails to do the job of removing the stuff. Second is NTLite. It's the best one of them, but it's not free. So in the free version, you will have a lot of stuff locked. What is it good at? It's the best program to use to remove stuff, best at finding update packages and download them, create an attend file, edit services and Windows features. At third, we have the Wintoolkit. Don't you ever use this program to remove something. Has some code tweaks. And at last, we have the Winreducer. It's the best program to break your Windows with. There's no discussion about that. So what is it good at? It's the best program to reduce your Windows image size after installation and before installation. Cleaning the rubbish of your image, compressing your image. Also, it has some good tweaks. You just need to be careful what to choose and what not to choose. Just don't choose something you don't know or you'll find yourself. And at last, just don't edit a Windows image that has been edited before, or you will find yourself in a big trouble. Not just errors, but that's stealing. Just download a fresh copy from Microsoft or any trusted website you know. In the next parts, we will be talking about each one of them, how to use, what not to use, in order to maintain stability and high quality without breaking the image. And I'll see you in part 2 with the MSMG. Goodbye.